Here we have a 2005 Ford Econoline E250 handicap wheelchair conversion van, the Braun Vangater wheelchair lift, Liberty conversion, lowered floor, passenger side easy lock, driver side hand controls, brand new tires, 48,000 original miles, clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title. Very nice clean van, has a rear folding bed, brand new tires, new shocks. This van has been fully serviced, it's ready to go. Show you how everything works here. It is a Braun Vangater lift. Everything is working. Everything was just serviced on this van. It is ready to go, completely ready to go. Needs nothing at all. Everything is working perfectly. Cold air, 48,000 original miles. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. You can visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. There are a few small blemishes, cosmetic stuff that's normal for the age, normal wear and tear for the age. I'll point out anything that I can find, but overall the paint shows very nicely. Again, chrome wheels, tires are brand new, dual air, lowered floor. Super nice clean van. We try to buy only the best vans we can find. There's a few little scuffs on the running boards here and there. Normal stuff that's normal wear and tear. But overall, all the body panels are good. No rust at all. It's a Southern van. A few scuffs on the running boards here. That's about it. Other than that, beautiful van. 2005 Ford E250. Give us a call or send us a text at 954-561-2499. These tires are brand new. Braun Vangater lift does have a lowered floor. You have all your tie down points in the floor. It does have a hard cover on the floor. Carpet's nice underneath. Just has this hard cover there, which is great for getting in and out with the wheelchair. Have the rear folding bench seat, goes all the way down into a bed. Got your beautiful wood grain interior accents. There's lighting, all your window shades. Got your seats, plush cloth seats. The seats are in beautiful condition. Very nice non-smoker van. No stories at all. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. You can also text us to that number. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. Again, 4 new tires. The rocker sticker on the other side is peeling a little bit, but nothing you can even hardly notice it. I will show you that too. There you go. Very clean and nice inside. Shows very well. Non-smoking van. You got your hand controls here. Passenger side easy lock. 48,000 original miles. Airbag light is on and off sometimes if the passenger seat is unplugged due to the easy lock. Everything is fully functional and working. Give us a call if you have any questions. As for Jeff or Ken, suprememotorsusa.com, 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. Got all your stickers. There's no stories with this. We do our best to try and describe each and every van that we get. Give us a call if you're confused about anything. We'd like to help you out. Hopefully we cover everything in this walk around for you. This is a manual folding bed. You lift up in the front and it goes up and down. Very easy setup. Super easy to use. Flip it up, flip it down. And you got all the space in the world here. You can camp, you can drive across country. Very easy setup to use. The body is laser straight on this van. Very nice van. It's a Southern van its whole life. No rust issues. Show you how the lift works here. It's working great. Has a pendant remote. Goes in. Super easy setup. van has been completely gone through. New tires, new shocks in the front. It's ready to go. The Vangater lift allows you to recline fully in your front seat there. You can see. Very nice, clean van. A few little dents and small little tiny scratch here. Other than that, just trying to be picky so you can see everything. Tiny little scratch here. Overall, this van is super nice. As you can see, the roof and everything, all the condition of everything is great. No stories. It is a 5.4 liter V8. 2005, 48,000 original miles. Super low mileage. Give us a call if you have any other questions or concerns. We are happy to help anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Thank you.